What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to change your Netflix language on your smart TV. Now to do this, you just want to scroll to the left hand bar over here. So use your remote control and scroll to the left hand bar like so. And you want to scroll to the top where you have your account. So just scroll to the top like so. Click on your profile over there. Click on OK. Now you're going to be taken to this page that contains all of the profiles on your Netflix account. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and choose the particular profile which you want to change the Netflix language settings for. And once you select the profile, you just want to scroll to the left hand side where you have the edit icon. So this edit icon over here, you just want to scroll to the left hand side like so, and then click on OK like so. Now you have your profile and different options for you to make changes to. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down to language like so and click on it, and then Netflix is going to give you a couple of languages you can actually change to. So you can scroll horizontally and choose any of the languages you feel that you are okay with. In my case, I think this is English UK, so I am just going to click on it as my preferred language. Now once you click on it, it is going to take some time to load, and once you're done, you can just scroll down until you get to this done button over here. Now click on it again, and once you open your profile this time, it is going to come with the new Netflix language you have changed to. Now in case your TV does still not change language, what you want to do is to exit the Netflix application. Just go ahead and exit the Netflix application. That is also restarting the Netflix app, and then you want to go back and open up the Netflix application again. This time it is going to open up with your new Netflix language. I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.